Hello, my name is Carlos Torres. Question: Did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it a fair amount? The last trip I took with my family was the beautiful island of San Andres. 10 months before the trip, I paid the tourism plan, which cost 5 million. It's a fair price since we stayed in a cheap hotel and we were able to the other activities. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visited? On the island of San Andres, there are several beautiful places. With my family, we walked to the city. We got to know its streets and its people, and we enjoyed the weather. The most interesting place I visited was Johnny Cay, where there is a natural aquarium where you can swim with the fish. The view of the ocean is great and joins the world of the wild. What are the most visited places of tourist attraction in your city? I live in the municipality of Madrid, which is very close to the capital. The place that is frequently visited is the Parque de las Flores because it is wide and you can practice athletics, soccer, tennis, basketball, and take a walk along the floral path. There you can see different types of flowers and trees. What place you miss visiting on your trip? I have missed being in Johnny Cay in San Andres. I felt warm in its waters and I had fun playing with the fish. Its view of the sea of colors is beautiful that makes us not want to leave it. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? In San Andres, the most incredible thing I did was a boat ride around the island. The guide told us about the place. The boat had a transparent glass bottom that allowed us to see the bottom of the sea. Thank you.